Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1208 Admiral. They got a sinkhole out by the street out there they're worried about. And city's got me out here cameraing her line to make sure there's no leaks or anything. So I'm down here in the basement. Go ahead and run this out and see what we got out there. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera ran out here to the main. I have a hose hooked up in the sinkhole and I just did a dye test on it. We got some green dye that I put down in there. As you see, there's some green dye here at the bottom. Coming through. Definitely getting some water coming in from that sinkhole into the sewer line here. See, as we pull back through here, pulling back. Now we're all dry. I see anything coming through. See, it starts turning green here, and we got water. Green here also. Tissue right here. Definitely all green water here. I'm going to pull it back and locate and mark this. I located where it meets the main out in the street, like 8 feet deep. Keep pulling back until I don't see the green anymore. He's coming in at the seam at the bottom here. See, it's all dry up here. When we get there, got water. It does have a green tint to it. Go ahead and locate and mark the spot. I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got a couple locates on this. One starts at the curb, the street, right near that sinkhole. Line looks to be about 7 feet, 5 inches deep. See, I still have green dye coming in. Here, this is where I located at. coming in pretty good here. It's all bellied out here. The line's kind of got a belly and it's holding water. And it's definitely taking water from that sinkhole. See, it's all green. Got a slight turn here. Slightly turning and coming down here to MSD's line here. I've located this in the street at about also 7 feet 6 inches deep. Probably going to recommend a repair from the main here back to the curb. Make sure that all this line's good to go. I would hate to say just right there by the curb and street a little bit. I would recommend it to be repaired off the MSD line there. There is belly in there and I can't see if all the seams are leaking or if it's just 1 or 2 of them. I'm going to recommend that to be repaired there. It's going to be about starting from here, which is at 74 feet. So here we stopped about 94 feet. Yeah, it was about 20 feet of line. Keep pulling back to the rest of it. In here. You see water running down there. Nobody in the house is running water. I'm just running water to that sinkhole. Like it's coming up out of that seam right there. Yep, and that's where I located it out by the curb. You see, it's like it's flowing up out of that seam there. Keep pulling back, show you the rest of this line. You see, it's all dry up here, no green, nothing like that, nothing leaking in up here. She does not have a yard clean out. There's just a little lip there holding a little water, but it's not. Probably recommend when they do the repair out there, to see we've got some roots out here. So they're only able to run a small cutter through this 4-inch stack down here. And that's why there's all them roots there. So I'm going to recommend a riser pipe and clean out installed when they do that repair there next to the curb. And that way in the future, they clean this line out properly. That's a little offset there, just holding water in the lip there. Here we are at transition. This is where it comes a 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay pipe. So they got a little bit of rootage growing here. And right there. Nothing too bad though. That is open. Got a Y there where it's gonna be the washer and the floor drain tied in there, and then another Y, another line Y in there. So here we are at the bottom of the stack. So yep, like I said, definitely water leaking into her sewer line from that sinkhole out there. Recommended repaired from the curb to the main there. Due to the belly in there, I can't see what exactly which valve's leaking. I did come back to the one that where I first seen it leaking in and went all the way out to the main. So yeah, it's gonna be like 20-foot repair there. And the riser pipe installed. All right, thank you.